Welcome to DME Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to put shortcuts on your desktop to the DME website and the eStore. First, right-click, go to New, go to Shortcut, type in the location, which in this case is https://www.dme.net. Hit Next, call it whatever you like, hit Finish, and you have a shortcut, which when you click it, will take you to the DME website. For the eStore, it's exactly the same. Right-click, hit New, Shortcut. In this case, you're going to type in https://store.millicron.com. Hit Next, give it a name, hit Finish, and now you have a shortcut to the DME eStore. It's just that easy. Thank you for watching this short video, and look out for other DME tips.